Number 1 mistake in saving money. Most of you might save money based on the amount you want to save. If you do this, you will come to a point that you are not saving enough. You will also realize that as your income grows, your savings did not grow. To make sure that as your income grows, your savings also grows, start to make the habit of saving by percentage. Why? Because saving using percentage will ensure that as your income increases, your saving also increases. Learn more? Visit https://campsite.bio